Get away, nigga, get away. I ain't try hear what a nigga say. Headed for the top, I ain't know how to stop till the world go pop. I've been steady watching these fools talking shit like it's a daily news. Beefing niggas got petty moves. When I make them lose fatty juice. Nigga, yeah, on a mission. Like I'm flying to the moon, dog.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And if you're not new to this channel, thank you so much for your support. So in this video, I wanted to try something a bit different. As you guys can see, my skin is looking pretty rough because it's summer, and in summer my skin tends to just be in a world of its own. Anyways, the great thing is this video has nothing to do with skin. That's why I'm coming to you very live and raw and not made up. So I tried one of those recipes where you use 3 ingredients only to make a cake, to bake a cake, and I just wanted to show you guys how it turned out. I had so much fun making this cake. It was a very tiny cake. I just wanted to put that out there because I wasn't sure if the method really works. So I used very small portion of each ingredient just because I was trying it out. It was an experiment. But I definitely would think I would try this again. But let me show you guys how it turned out. First, we'll separate the Oreo biscuits from the Oreo cream, like that. Make sure to keep the cream in a separate bowl, like this. I already have my 225 milliliters of milk and some baking powder. This step is optional, but if you want to add some sweetness to your recipe, you can add some vanilla essence. Next, you're gonna mix the warm milk gradually with the biscuit mixture and just slowly add it until it makes a nice smooth paste. Next, you're going to add your baking powder and your vanilla essence into the mixture and mix it until it is thoroughly mixed with the cake mixture. Now I'm adding a little bit of milk to the biscuit cream, and I'm gonna mix that together until it has a nice smooth icing texture. Yo guys, even my whisk broke. At this point I'm just trying to make sure I still get to that icing texture that we're looking for. So you gotta just keep going. Yes, just keep going. Now I'm just cutting the cake into a perfect square, so I'm getting rid of the edges and the sides that just won't help to make it look as perfect as I want it to be. And I don't know what people do with the stuff they cut out, but I had some. I actually had the rest of the cake, the leftovers, because I'm not about to waste food. But yeah, just keep cutting until you get your perfect 2 squares and then layer it on top of each other. And then we're going to use the icing to bind those 2 square slices together. Now I'm just adding icing on the bottom slice, and then we're going to use that to bind the other slice on top. And then as you guys can see, I'm just adding as much as icing as I want. I'm just going for it, like just trying to make sure I'm using all the cream because I also don't want to waste too much of it. And then you can use a knife to level it up and make it look nice and perfect. Look at that. Yes. Oh, it's very stiff. Okay. It is so good. It is so good. It tastes like real chocolate cake. It's just so good. Like, it's so good. I don't think I'd ever like bake a cake from scratch. I definitely want to try this method again, but obviously making a bigger cake because this is literally all I could get after baking it. So, but it's so good. It's got so much flavor, so much chocolate, and I added a little bit of vanilla, and I can taste the vanilla a little bit. Wow. Well, so there you have it. I tried baking a cake using only 3 ingredients: baking powder, Oreo biscuits, and warm milk. And I can safely say that it tastes really good. It tastes like really good cake, and I'm definitely gonna try it again. So try it at home as well and see if you like it. I'm pretty sure you could also try it with other kinds of biscuits. There's tons of videos on YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next video.